T.S. Eliot's poetry is characterized by a unique blend of modernist experimentation, intellectual curiosity, and emotional intensity. One of the key features of his writing style is his experimentation with form and structure. In The Waste Land, he writes, "These fragments I have shod against my ruins, why should I orchestrate my pieces?" This highlights Eliot's rejection of traditional poetic forms and his embrace of a more fragmented and disjointed style. Eliot's use of imagery and symbolism is another hallmark of his poetry. In The Waste Land, he writes, "April is the cruelest month, breeding lilacs out of the dead land." This image of lilacs blooming in a dead land is a powerful symbol of hope and renewal in a desolate world. Eliot's use of imagery and symbolism adds depth and complexity to his poetry, inviting the reader to interpret and reflect on the meaning of the images. Allusions and references are also a key feature of Eliot's poetry. In The Waste Land, he writes, "I had not thought death had undone so many." This line alludes to Dante's Inferno, where the idea of death and the afterlife is explored. Eliot's use of allusions and references adds a layer of intellectual curiosity to his poetry, engaging the reader with complex ideas and cultural references. Eliot's use of stream of consciousness is another innovative feature of his poetry. In The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, he writes, "Let us go then, you and I, when the evening is spread out against the sky." This passage replicates the natural flow of thoughts and feelings in the protagonist's inner monologue, creating a sense of intimacy and immediacy. Intellectualism is also a key feature of Eliot's poetry. In The Hollow Men, he writes, "We are the hollow men, we are the stuffed men." This passage engages with complex ideas about identity, morality, and the human condition, inviting the reader to reflect on the meaning of these concepts. Eliot's poetry also reflects the disjointedness and fragmentation of modern life. In The Hollow Men, he writes, "This is the way the world ends, not with a bang but a whimper." This idea conveys a sense of despair and hopelessness, highlighting the disjointedness and fragmentation of modern life. Finally, Eliot's use of irony and paradox is a key feature of his poetry. In Four Quartets, he writes, "We shall not cease from exploration, and the end of all our exploring will be to arrive where we started and know the place for the first time." This passage highlights the contradiction between the idea of exploration and the reality of returning to where we started, inviting the reader to reflect on the meaning of this paradox. In conclusion, T.S. Eliot's poetry is characterized by a unique blend of modernist experimentation, intellectual curiosity, and emotional intensity. His use of imagery and symbolism, allusions and references, stream of consciousness, intellectualism, disjointedness and fragmentation, and irony and paradox all contribute to a rich and complex poetry that invites the reader to interpret and reflect on the meaning of the poems.